Hey, I'm here at school. I'm ready for construction week, and I just want to show you a few ways that I fill my room with construction stuff to keep the kids learning everywhere they look and with everything that they do. Okay, first, this is my newsletter for pre-K and preschool. This also functions as my lesson plans. And when we go into my classroom, the first thing the kids are going to see is this alphabet wall. It has changed. It was a winter theme alphabet, and now all the letters have something to do with construction, and these are words and images that they are going to see in other places throughout the room. So here is just one thing. My writing center, I've got these tracing font coloring sheets with cement truck, drilling, jackhammering, workers, excavator, and I have bulldozer too. And they are going to see those same images with those same words in a lot of places. Like here, you're already seeing cement truck and orange cones. It's part of my poster set that's in my 5-day lesson plan. I've got these posters. I changed this bulletin board for every theme, so it will always have the images and the environmental print that goes along with them. And here continues with my dramatic play area. A lot of the same images, the same words with those images. And there you go. Here's my block area. This is especially fun. I've got these blocks that look like wood, but listen, they're foam. So they're not as noisy. And I've got an assortment of trucks, little guys, to go along with my little construction site here. So I think the kids will have a lot of fun with that. And moving on over, I have got a bookshelf full of construction books. My magnet board is just things you would find in a home and people, because that's just fun for the kids. Over here, you're going to see I've got some materials ready for the week, a couple of books I'm going to read Monday, some posters. I'll take you to my sensory bin. And here I have some kinetic sand with little trucks, scoops that are plastic and wood, and there is jewels all over this. And my aides put this together for me on Friday, and I love how they hid most of the jewels, so the kids are really gonna have to dig for them. And that is my little construction room. Okay, so I forgot to show you my pocket chart strip tent. One side I have bulldozer, hammer, excavator, toolbox, hard hat. And again, those images were on the alphabet wall, on my posters, and in my dramatic play. And then here we are, more of them. Saw, dump truck, worker, cement truck, tape measure, the whole thing. So put this stuff everywhere. So I hope that showed you how you can put print and images of your theme all over your room to really get the kids excited about the theme and to increase their vocabulary and just their knowledge. It's just the best way to go. Everywhere they look, there's construction images. Hey, so I just wanted to let you know I'm going to leave links for my lesson plan and the construction workshop resource. Plus, I have some bundles with the lesson plan and the construction workshop together called I think it's the construction duo. And I have a complete classroom pack, which has the alphabet, the lesson plan, the construction workshop, and it has a set of construction word wall cards. I don't use my word wall cards because my kids don't read. And when I've used them in the past on the wall, it just looks super cluttered. So I will usually go through those as like a separate little vocabulary exercise or use them during circle time. So in the complete classroom pack, there's all those 4 things. In the duo, it's the lesson plan and the workshop, but I'll leave links below to everything. Okay, thanks.